Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am hoping that I'm not shaking this too much. I kind of got my selfie stick here, like being held between my legs so that I have something to actually hold my phone. But I wanted to go ahead and film. This is not working. Come on. Let's see. Let's see how that goes. Sorry guys. So I wanted to actually film for you guys the Target beauty box. I was in Target and they had a display with like 5 different boxes, which I thought was super cool. They had a beauty box, they had one that was like masks and skincare, and then all around kind of products with like hair care and stuff like that. So I went ahead and picked it up. I think it said it was $8.99, but it was on sale for $7. This is the one that I got. It is the Wake Up and Makeup box. And I figured I would go ahead and open it for you guys, give you guys my first impressions and my thoughts. Sorry about the jiggle and the wiggle because again, I'm holding it with my legs. Let's see. Is that gonna stay without shifting? No, it's just shifting more. Kind of angling, might slightly turn a little bit. Sorry guys. Okay, I think that'll work. So anyway, I got the Wake Up and Makeup box, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it with you guys so we can see. I was subscribed to the Target beauty box at one time. It was like $7 and you would just get auto billed every month. I also got the Walmart beauty box, which was $5. So I'm gonna go ahead, take a look at what's in here and we can discuss from there. So the first thing I pulled out is the Dove Invisible Spray. This is the 48-hour anti-perspirant non-irritant in Sheer Fresh. That's what it looks like here. I'm a huge Dove fan. I use Dove body wash, Dove shampoo and conditioner from time to time. But Dove deodorant is the only deodorant I use. So for me, this is a big deal. For me to buy this in the store, it would cost me about $4 and some cents or some change. So considering this box was, you know, $7 plus whatever your state tax is, I think that's a great deal already. The next thing in here is, oh cool, oh look, so it actually tells you what's in the beauty box on the back. Sorry about that, you guys, I did not even see it. But it does not tell you the actual prices of each product. But I got an e.l.f. Beautifully Bare blending brush. I think this is really good for all over bronzing. Gosh, okay, so seriously, I like just go to the gym and home pretty much, so that's what my face is super red today, but that's why I kind of look the way I do. But anyway, this creates a flawless natural look with this innovative brush. Soft dense bristles are designed to provide streak-free airbrush-like coverage for undetectable finish. So this obviously could be used wet or dry. I like that. It's probably about $3, so definitely awesome. Those 2 items right there already paid for the box itself, so that is great. Then I got a Dove Refresh Plus Care Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. This is a mini, perfect little travel size, which I like, just enough for you to try out the product and see if you like it. Again, I love Dove products. I haven't tried this yet. These usually run about $2. I'm thinking, you know, for the little travel size ones. So definitely something I am looking forward to trying, because now that I go to the gym almost every day, like, you know, we're all about that dry shampoo life, right? Oh, I got an Honest Beauty Refreshingly Clean Makeup Remover Wipes. There's 7 sheets in here. Have I tried this one? No, I don't think I've tried this. But I mean, you can expect that this would be about $2 or something. So perfect to go on a take on a go again. I'm looking forward to trying this. So already the box contents had already paid for itself. Let's see. Oh, okay, a Sonia Kashuk Quick Dry Makeup Brush Wipe. So that's cool to use with that one brush. I like that they got this. This is a one single sample So yeah, I mean, it looks like there's full and sample size products in here. Another full size product is the Natural Glow Face Palette, Fresh and Flawless from e.l.f. I love the packaging on this. I'm a huge fan of e.l.f. So I already know I'm going to love this. I'm trying to open it up. It looks like it is the silver one. I believe these retail for $6. I haven't really been buying any makeup lately, so I can't tell. I can't get it open, you guys, but it is really pretty packaging from what I can see. This definitely is the full size, which, like I said, about $6. So you guys are really getting a good amount. Oh, there's a few more things in here. Hold on. I thought that was done, but there's, oh look, another full-size product. Oh, okay. So I got another full-size product in here, and I didn't realize there was another product in the box. I would have paid to actually look, right? But I got the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara. This is in the Black Noir. I actually really wanted to try this, but didn't pick it up. I just haven't. I've been kind of on a L'Oreal mascara kick lately for everything. But yeah, I'm excited to try this at my local Target. This is like $6.99, $7, give or take a little bit more. So definitely, again, one item paid for the entire box. So I think it's worth checking out. They did receive a little card, or I did. It says, "Hello, gorgeous. Mornings can be rough, but your AM beauty routine doesn't have to be. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll help you brighten up in a flash and get you out the door a little faster. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox." So like I said, there are several full-size products in here already. They do not have the prices listed on the back of this card that I just read, which is kind of a bummer. I would have loved to see that, but they don't have it. And then I got some coupons. So I got $1 off for the deodorant, $1 off for the hair care. Dove hair care includes twin packs and trial sizes. $3 off Honest Beauty. So all in all, for $7 plus tax, which came up to like $7.40 or something of the sort, you guys, definitely a steal in my opinion. Highly definitely check it out. There's well over $15, I think, worth of products here for the amount. And yeah, and now that I see that you can see what's on the back of the box, if the other boxes are like that, then you can look and pick and choose. Because like I said, I think there were about 5 or 6 different types of boxes when I seen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It's been a while since I came to you guys with a little car confessional. Today my car confessional includes a little haul / reveal / first impression / was it worth the money. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, sorry, I'm coming to you guys looking like what I do on a normal basis. Again, I've been spending a lot of time at the gym, so this is me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, definitely hit that subscribe button. All my social media will be listed down below, and hit that like button too. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.